Commercial farming and major crops. Commercial farming, the process of growing of crops and rearing of animals for sale in market, is called commercial farming. Large amount of land, labor and capital is used. Commercial farming is of three types. Commercial grain farming. In commercial grain farming, crops like wheat and maize are grown for commercial purpose. It is practiced in temperate grasslands of North America, Europe and Asia. Mixed farming, the use of land for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock, is called mixed farming. Plantation, the use of land for growing only one crop for a year, is called plantation farming. Plantation. Plantation agriculture is a form of commercial farming where crops are grown for profit. Large land areas are needed for this type of agriculture. Countries that have plantation agriculture usually experience tropical climate with high annual temperatures and receive high annual rainfall. Example: tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. Large amount of labor, transport and capital are required. Example: tropical areas of the world, rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka. Major crops.
Rice. It needs high temperature, high humidity and high rainfall along with alluvial clay soil. It grows best in countries like China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Wheat. The weather should be warm and moist during the early stage of growth and sunny and dry in the later stages. Largely it is grown in India, Russia, Australia, Canada and USA. Millets and coarse grains. It requires less fertile and sandy soils with low rainfall and high to moderate temperature. Millet is a popular crop in the countries India, Nigeria and China. Maize. It is grown in moderate temperatures with lots of sunshine and well-drained fertile soils. It grows best in Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and North America. Cotton. It requires ample sunshine and fairly dry conditions with 175 to 225 days without frost. Majorly grown in USA, India and China. Jute. Jute is also known as golden fiber. It requires alluvial soil with high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. It is best grown in tropical areas of India and Bangladesh. Coffee. Coffee thrives in soils that are well-drained and loamy soil with equal parts of sand, silt and clay. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India.
Tea requires cool climate, well-distributed high rainfall throughout the year, along with well-drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. It requires labor in a large number for picking of leaves.
Example: India, China and Sri Lanka are best producers of tea.
Agriculture development. Agricultural development means providing assistance to the crop producers with the help of various resources, providing protection, assisting in the research sphere, employing latest techniques, controlling pests, and facilitating diversity to meet the demands of the increasing population. A farm in India. A typical Indian has a farmland of about 1.5 hectares. The farmer purchases high-yielding varieties of seeds from the market every alternate year. Manual machines are used at a very low scale. Farmers are generally poor. They lack storage places for the crops. A farm in the USA. The average size of a farm in the USA is about 250 hectares. The farmers grow corn, soya bean, cotton and sugar beet. Farmers have fully mechanized machines. Farmers are rich and educated with all the updates on latest technology.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.